Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to use same WhatsApp account on different smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my two different devices. So say on the left side I have my main WhatsApp account. So you can see here. So I want this same WhatsApp account to use in the different device. So for this what you need to do is just on the other device, just open the Play Store or App Store, whichever smartphone you're using, and just download and install the WhatsApp application. And once the download is completed, just click on this open. Now click on agree and continue. Now on the above you will see here three dot icons, just click on it. Now you'll see here link as companion device, just click on it. Now it will show you one barcode. So there are some instructions, you can read it or you can follow my video instructions. So now on your other smartphone where you have the main WhatsApp account, just open the WhatsApp application. And now just click on your WhatsApp profile icon that is written U. Now just click on this link devices. Now just click on this link a device. Tap on this OK. Now you need to scan this other phone's barcode which is showing up on your other smartphone. So finally I have linked on the other device. Now you can see on the other device also all the chats of your respective WhatsApp account. So now you can just close this WhatsApp application on the primary device. And now you can use your main WhatsApp account on the secondary smartphones without needing to have the primary smartphone. But not one thing, after every 14 days, this WhatsApp account which you have linked on your second devices will get logged out after every 14 days. So you need to link it again with your primary devices. And if you want to unlink it again, then once again open the primary WhatsApp account on your primary smartphone and click on your profile icon again that is written as you. And once again click on this link device. Now you can see the linked smartphone device where you have the same WhatsApp account. Just click on it. Now you can see here logout. Just click on this logout option. Click on logout. Now you can see it will get automatically log out on the other devices. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily use same WhatsApp account on different smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.